All right, guys, what up? Welcome back. We got another jacked up freaking paint job that we're gonna fix. Looks like the customer probably was in a parking lot. Someone opened up their door and it just grazed it and caused these imperfections. This is the perfect tool for these isolated scratches, I would say. This is something that happened that doesn't require the tool for the whole car. This is just something, this rotary is what I'm gonna use. It's the 3403 VRG Flex. I'm not even gonna sand this. I know it's not gonna come out 100%, but I just wanna show you how fast it is to just knock out this general area of scratches. You can see just this whole area. Koch Chemie, spray bottle, bam. Let's go to town. Okay, again, I'm not gonna lay a flat. The flat part is gonna be an actual finishing technique. This is a defect removal technique. So no flat, I'm just gonna guide it around. But I'm gonna pick up, slight tilt. There we go. So another thing too is that as long as it's moist and it's feeling damp to the touch, you're good. Like you don't need to add more polish. You don't need no more polish on there. All you need is damp. You don't need it sopping wet. As long I go like this, I like to feel it to my face. Pores in your face. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more. Let's just massage it out. So it's a slight tilt, you know, slight tilt on your tool. Okay, so now look at that. You can slightly still see these little scratches right here, but I told you I didn't think that was gonna come out anyway. But tell me how much better. Look at that, the reflection right there. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's go to the spot where we didn't polish. So now all you gotta do is you just have to, this is just your one step. Scratch removal, defect removal, and then you went over here, and then now you just have to refine it. That's just that's probably same pad, or I mean same compound, maybe a foam pad for that to finish it out. But I just wanted to get these defects out. You know, it's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna hit it a little bit more, but you see you look at that. Look at the scratches. The finish on that, and then you come over here. Dang, bro. Back here, crazy. Cool. I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more, just do 2 more passes on there. So another thing too is good to always have these scan grips. And then you always see, like when guys are polishing, they look at the side. They're looking at it the side. So for me, I'm not really looking at the scratch, I'm looking at my compound. I'm looking at the reflection through my compound. So look through your paint, or look through your polish or through your compound is what I'm doing. I'm not really looking, I'm looking at the scratch, but I'm mainly looking at more through the texture of the actual paint. Let's go over it a little bit, Mo. See, Rotary runs a lot cooler than a lot of people say, oh, you're gonna burn through. I was like, no, you can burn through doing anything. It's the finishing technique that you need. Check that out, that's some gloss. You do another, once we slam this whole car out, customers gonna be like, damn, bring me their next car. So yeah, anyways, guys, that's how you do it. Jamie, born detailer, Rotary, deep scratches. Don't park by anybody in any parking lot, Costco, Walmart, Target. Just park away from people so you don't get this happen to you. But hey, born detailer, full effect, Jamie Gonzalez, Koch Chemie, Flex, who knows, whatever. Peace out. Pow, boy.
Mm.